In this video, we are going to discuss about the demo of Veltris digital twin software framework.
Software simulator fetches row points from the historical CSV data and sent to the data server through Kafka streaming. We have total of 10 sensors: speed, fuel, temperature, torque, tire pressure, GPS, CO2, engine, brake, and battery. Out of 10, 4 are ML sensors: CO2, engine, brake and battery, which are sent to the ML server for prediction.
The received simulated data from the server and the outcome, which is predicted using ML server, is getting posted to the MySQL database for every 1 minute.
This is the Wavelabs digital twin main dashboard, which shows all the sensors values like vehicle speed, torque, tire pressure, temperature and fuel. These all are the latest values fetched from the real-time sensors. So coming to the dashboard panels, at the beginning we can see a panel where there is a provisioning of the car in a three-dimensional view. So here we can see a car moving in a virtual environment. So next we have the panel which shows the speed of the vehicle, and next we have torque, tire pressure, temperature of the engine and fuel. Below that we have the time series graphs of sensors like temperature, speed, torque and tire pressure respectively. So these graphs keep track of all the sensor values. The dashboard also has the panels where we can have different camera views of the car. We can have front camera view, back camera view, left and right camera views respectively. Finally, we have a geomap panel which updates the coordinates, i.e. longitude and latitude points of vehicle, and keeps track of the vehicle's location. This all we have in the main dashboard. This is the Wavelabs digital twin edge dashboard, which consists of different panels. At the beginning, we have the brake pad failure prediction panel, which provides the percentage possibility of brake pad failure. Next we have the engine condition prediction panel, which provides the percentage possibility of engine working condition. Next we have the CO2 emission panel, which provides the amount of CO2 emitted by the vehicle in grams per kilometer. Below we have the panels which shows predictive and prescriptive messages/suggestions for the above percentage possibility values. So we have different predictions and prescriptions for various ranges of percentage values, and will vary according to the percentage values in the above panels. We also have the time series graphs of CO2 emission over time, battery usage versus charging time, and also the brake pad heating over distance. The CO2 emission versus time graphs shows how CO2 emission is varying over time. Battery usage versus charging time graph provides the usage time of the battery based on how much time the battery was charged. And finally, the time series graph of brake pad heating over distance will provide whether the brake is worn out or not for a particular set of heat and kilometer values. If the brake pad worn out, it will display as 1, and if the brake pad is okay, it will display as 0. So these are all the panels we have in the Edge dashboard.